welcome back to my page. I'm just gonna do a quick makeup look. I have a model today for content, so kind of want to get a little bit glammed up, so let's get started. For moisturizer, I'm going in with the Embryolisse multifunction moisturizer. And I really want to work that into my skin. And for primer, I'm using this Ulta Beauty Hyaluronic Boost Primer Serum. I stopped using this for a while, but I found it in my collection and I was like, let me give it a try again, and it feels really good on the skin. For foundation, I'm going in with the About Face The Performer Skin Focus Foundation in the shade M2 Olive. And then for concealer, I've actually been going in with the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Nudes. This is the waterproof matte liquid pigment for eyes, lips, and cheeks, and this is in the shade Nude 2. And I literally just go in like with the tiniest amount, and I have been loving this over the last week for my under eyes, just to kind of cover my dark circles a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go straight in with powder. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus loose powder in the shade, I believe this is translucent, but to me it looks a little beigey. I don't know if they still make this or if they changed the color, but I don't remember if I put like a powder in there, but I'm just gonna go in and set all of my face with this. And for bronzer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 360 Mocha. Looks like this. And I'm just gonna use that to bronze up my face. For blush, I'm going in with the Sailor Moon X ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in the shade From the Moon. If you don't have this specific one, it's just a kind of like rosy pink. It's not super cool tone, but it's definitely like a Barbie pink. And I'm just gonna throw that on. To move onto the eyes, I'm using MAC Saddle eyeshadow. Looks like this. You can use your bronzer for this or any brown that you have. I would say this is more like a medium warm tone shade, so anything like that works. And I'm just throwing this in the crease, bringing it like into my inner corner and just blending it out. And I'm just gonna keep building this up. For the pop of color on the eyes, I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty Lustrous Foil Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Rose Gold Leaf. It's super pretty, and I'm just taking this on my finger and just tapping into the product, trying to warm it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna apply it to my eyelid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take Saddle again and just run this under my lower lash line, just to kind of draw the eyes together a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go in with mascara on my upper and lower lashes. This is the MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. And just the brush looks like this. And I'm just gonna go in, I'll probably do like two coats on the top and then just one on the bottom. And then after mascara's on, I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows where I kind of have like a sparse areas. And I'm going in with the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil, and this is the shade Chocolate Mousse. I'm just gonna lightly fill in just where I need a little help. For lips, I'm actually going in with my own personal makeup line. This is the Sculpt and Define lip liner. This is in the shade Muse. It's just, for me, it's the perfect medium brown. This is kind of one of my everyday shades that I like to wear, so. So again, this is from my personal makeup line, Desire Cosmetics, and these are available for pre-order. So hopefully soon I can get them out, but that is the shade Muse. And then I'm going in with my Divine Drip Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Dove. It is a super light, milky, like cream color, but it blends so beautifully. And I love these because you only need 2 products to really create a good lip combo. For me, this is my everyday almost lip combo. I've worn this probably so many times since finalizing everything. But yeah, these lips are available for pre-order. And then just to finish off, I'm just gonna dust off any extra powder. And I've been loving my face without setting spray lately. I don't know if it's just because I have super oily skin and I still haven't found like my perfect setting spray, but overall I think this looks pretty good. So thank you for watching, and go ahead and like, comment, let me know if you try this lip combo out or what your favorite lip combo is, and if you'd like to see more in-depth like tutorials for eyeshadow looks or anything. I do a lot of in-depth tutorials on my YouTube. So yeah, if you're on YouTube watching, please like, subscribe. It really helps me a lot. Trying to reach a couple goals. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.